Hello everyone. In today's video we will be discussing the top 5 best tablets under $200 available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable tablets, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. Blackview Mega 1 Tablet. Redefining everyday with vibrant design and smart features, your companion for work, leisure, and everything in between. Slim at only 7.6mm and light at 528 grams, Mega 1 is perfect for on the go. Enjoy the comfort in your hands and a joyous experience with its 11.5-inch ultra-large 2.4K screen and seamlessly aerospace-grade aluminium body. Embrace the fluid transition of Mega 1 from 60Hz to 120Hz. Which harmonizes efficiency with dynamic visuals, making every fine detail pop with vibrancy and captivating your visual senses. Reimagining your streaming experience with 1080p wide-line L1 support, Mega 1 delivers mesmerizing visuals on Netflix, HBO, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus, and YouTube. With its quad-speaker setup, you're in for an enthralling audio-visual treat. Do it all on Mega 1. Whether you're reading while jotting down notes, or responding to emails as you tweak documents, multitasking is a breeze. Mega 1 is crafted to boost efficiency in work, play, and learning. Revolutionizing the way tasks are typically done on PCs, the all-new PC mode features a multi-window where each window operates independently, which allows for prioritizing primary tasks, ensuring smoother multitasking. Number 2. Xiaomi Redmi Pad5 tablet. The 11 inches large FHD Plus display with 16.7 million colors and 90Hz adaptive sync refresh rate ensures a vivid and smooth visual experience for daily entertainment. With Tufenland Low Blue Light certification and Tufenland Flicker-free certification, you don't need to worry about extended usage harming your or your children's eyes. Improve your video call experience with the 5MP centered front camera. Take high-resolution photos with the clear 8MP main camera. The long-lasting battery eliminates power worries while you're traveling, watching videos or attending online meetings. Advanced 6nm process technology massively improves performance and provides a high refresh rate display for a smooth and fast experience. Number 3. World Premiere AGM Pad P2 Tablet. A rugged detachable case morphs effortlessly into a stand with 360 degrees rotation and carry strap, keeping the tablet waterproof, portable, and adaptable without compromising safety or style. Empowered by 8GB RAM, complemented with 8GB virtual RAM, the MTK-G99 processor ensures lightning-fast operation, while the expandable 256GB ROM to 1TB provides ample space for your extensive digital library. The FHD 1200 by 1920 display, paired with a rapid 90Hz refresh rate, delivers stunning clarity and fluid motion, immersing you deeply into gaming realms and cinematic experiences. Integrated with 4 premium speakers, this tablet produces a rich, immersive audio environment that elevates every gaming session and multimedia encounter to a new level of sensory delight. An 8000 mAh battery life, Android 14 OS, 50MP cam, wide-line L1 for top-tier streaming, and integrated compass combine to ensure enduring use, cutting-edge intelligence, and precise navigation on all excursions. Number 4. HEADWOLF FPad5/Pro Android 14 Tablet. Experience seamless multitasking with the Helio G99's octa-core processor, featuring ARM Cortex-A76x2 plus Cortex-A55x6 architecture for enhanced performance. Multitask with ease on the FPad5, equipped with 8GB LPDDR4X RAM and 8GB virtual memory, plus 128GB UFS 2.1 storage for ample space. Immerse in vivid visuals on the 8.4-inch FHD IPS display, offering 1200 by 1920 resolution and a 1200:1 contrast ratio. Stream high-definition videos with wide Evine L1 support, enabling Netflix playback on over 100,000 films. Stay powered longer with the 5500 mAh battery and Type-C 10 watts charging, ensuring 7-8 hours of uninterrupted use. Number 5. Lenovo Zhaoyang Tab K10 Tablet. 10.95-inch Full HD large screen, accounting for 85% of the area, more real and immersive. 90 Hz high refresh rate, beyond the naked eye recognition frame rate, DC dimming without stroboscopic, more comfortable to use eyes. Physical anti-blue screen, reduce retinal damage. Protect vision health. MTK G88 8-core processor, 2.0 GHz clock speed, smooth multitask operation without freezing. LPDDR4X high-efficiency memory plus IMC 5.1 high-speed storage combination. Work and study, etc. 7040 mAh lithium battery, can play video for 12 hours, standby for 1000 hours. To meet the needs of all-day use. Cooperate with the PD 3.0 charging protocol of the Type-C interface to quickly recover the state. One stroke, one drag, multiple modes of free switching, free combination, office efficiency by going up one flight of stairs. Powerful text, picture and voice recording functions can quickly record your inspiration and ideas, improve efficiency and easily cope with work.